how to fix add music to profile not showing on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you on how you can fix this problem quickly and easily. Now recently, Instagram has released this feature where you can add music on your Instagram profile. And since this is one of their newest feature, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. So you want to head over to the App Store or Google Play Store. Once inside, you can then go ahead and search for Instagram. Now, the only reason that specific button is not appearing on your Instagram profile is because you are using the outdated version of Instagram. And so, to fix that, you can just go ahead and click on the update button from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Right after that, open up the Instagram application, head over to your profile icon, and voila, you can now go ahead and see the add music button on your Instagram profile right here. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.